Pocket buddies, what's up? I'm out here, just chilling in the wind while flying one of my most favoriteest gliders. I've had this plane for about a year now. This dang thing glides very well and has a superb dive performance, although I do wish it had a bit more power for those westerly, windy blowing evenings. I like to see the wings bend while diving at a high rate of speed. Would you mind if I shared some details about this plane?
Yes. And hurry the fuck up. Motherfucker. You gotta get your goddamn ass fucking ready for the next Empty Pockets clip. Captain Everblunt and others still need lots of work. I do not want no shit out of your ass. So that means make that shit fast. You hear me?
You betcha. It still is a load of fun. The manufacturer proclaims, illustrates, and possibly suggests this as an RC model of the US Predator remotely piloted aircraft. At best, I was told, it's more of the General Atomics MQ-9 Reaper. Nonetheless, it's still a damn stress-free flyer. Product name, Z55, Predator, RC airplane with LED lights. Product size, 400 by 660 by 130 millimeters. Single machine weight, 80 grams. Power, lithium battery, 3.7 volts.
You ain't finished yet?
4 AA batteries. Charging time, about 60 minutes. Flight time, 20 minutes. Low power protection function, remote control battery. Remote control distance, about 150 meters. Superb glide and dive performance. When I want to get high, I come and fly. I'd give it 2 balls of pocket lint. That's no lie. And bye-bye.